Hey little artists! Welcome back to our fun drawing series. Today, we're going to learn how to draw some super simple and familiar things. Grab your pencils and crayons. Are you ready to start the fun? Hello little artists! What is the best shape to show someone you love them? That's right, today we are drawing a giant, happy heart. Start at the top with two big round mountain bumps. Bump, bump! Now, bring lines down from the sides to meet in a pointy V at the bottom. Give it some life with two dot eyes, a huge happy smile, and cute little cheeks. Hey little artists! What floats up high in the sky and loves a good party? That's right, let's draw a giant, happy balloon. First, draw a great big bouncy circle. Make it as round as you can. At the very bottom, draw a little triangle knot and a long, squiggly string so it doesn't float away. Let's give it a massive smile, two dot eyes, and a little sparkle mark so it looks super shiny. Hey little artists! Who says meow and has super cute whiskers? You guessed it, today let's draw a cute cat face. Start with a big round circle for the head, nice and smooth like a pancake. Now add two pointy triangles on top for ears and a tiny triangle nose right in the middle. Time for the cute stuff! Add two dot eyes, a little W mouth, and long whiskers. Meow! Hello, little artists! Today we're drawing the happiest, furriest friend who loves to say, woof! Let's draw a happy dog. Start with a big round circle for the head and a little potato shape underneath for the body. Now add two big floppy ears, four little legs, and a super happy waggy tail. The best part, add dot eyes, a cute nose, and a giant smile with his tongue out. Thanks for learning with us, little artists! If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can join us for many more creative adventures like this. See you next time!